Big news in digital finance. JPMorgan Chase is set to become the new issuer of the Apple Card, replacing Goldman Sachs. This move marks a major shift, ending the founding partnership and signaling a new direction for all three companies. For cardholders, the transition is designed to be seamless, with no sudden changes to your account or rewards. The core Apple Card promise, simplicity, transparency, and security, remains intact. But with JP Morgan at the helm, new benefits and expanded services could be on the horizon. We'll explore why Goldman Sachs is stepping away, why JP Morgan is stepping in, and what you can expect as a cardholder. Let's dive into this new chapter for the Apple Card. To understand this transition, let's look back at how the Apple Card began. The story starts with two giants from very different worlds: Apple, a leader in technology and design, and Goldman Sachs, a powerhouse in global finance, coming together to disrupt the credit card industry. Their partnership was more than just a business deal. It was a bold experiment to blend cutting-edge technology with the rigor of traditional banking. Launched in 2019, the Apple Card marked Apple's ambitious entry into the world of personal finance. By teaming up with Goldman Sachs, Apple aimed to reinvent what a credit card could be, making it simpler, more transparent, and more rewarding for everyday users. The launch event was filled with excitement, as both companies promised to deliver a product that would set a new standard for the industry. The card's no-fee structure, instant daily cash rewards, and minimalist titanium design quickly captured the public's imagination. Unlike traditional credit cards, the Apple Card was deeply integrated with the iPhone, offering real-time spending insights and privacy features that resonated with tech-savvy consumers. Its physical card, crafted from titanium, became a status symbol and a conversation starter. Behind the scenes, Goldman Sachs managed the complex infrastructure, handling applications, credit decisions, and account management. The Apple Card quickly became the flagship product of Goldman's Marcus Consumer Division, representing the bank's most high-profile push into retail banking and digital finance. Apple's vision was to make the card accessible to as many people as possible. This meant encouraging Goldman to approve a broader range of applicants, including those with less than perfect credit. The result was rapid user growth, but it also introduced higher risk and new challenges for Goldman Sachs, who had to balance innovation with financial responsibility. This strategy helped the Apple Card stand out in a crowded market, attracting millions of users in just a few years. However, the rapid expansion and increased risk exposure created financial pressures for Goldman Sachs, forcing the bank to rethink its approach to consumer lending and digital partnerships. Despite these challenges, the Apple-Goldman partnership set new standards for digital credit cards. Competitors scrambled to match Apple Card's seamless integration, user-friendly features, and innovative rewards, sparking a wave of fintech innovation across the industry. The groundwork laid by Goldman Sachs made the Apple Card portfolio highly attractive to other financial giants. It's no surprise that JPMorgan Chase, with its vast resources and experience, saw an opportunity to take the Apple Card to the next level, building on the foundation Goldman helped create. Now, as the Apple Card story enters its next phase, the lessons learned from this groundbreaking partnership will continue to shape the future of digital finance. Goldman Sachs is stepping away from the Apple Card as part of a strategic retreat from consumer banking. The Apple Card, while prestigious, proved costly and riskier than expected, with higher credit losses and thin margins. CEO David Solomon made it clear, the firm is refocusing on its core strengths in investment banking and wealth management. Selling the Apple Card portfolio to JPMorgan Chase is a key move in this realignment. For Goldman, this means offloading a challenging business and boosting earnings, while ensuring a smooth transition for customers. The partnership with Apple was innovative, but ultimately unsustainable for Goldman's long-term goals. This exit is about strategy, not product failure. For JPMorgan Chase, acquiring the Apple Card is a strategic win. As the nation's largest credit card issuer, JPMorgan has the scale and expertise to manage this massive portfolio. The deal brings millions of tech-savvy Apple users into JPMorgan's ecosystem, along with over $20 billion in card loans, acquired at a discount. JPMorgan's experience in consumer lending positions it to handle the card's diverse user base and turn it into a profitable business. The bank also plans to offer an Apple savings account, signaling a deeper integration with Apple's financial products. This partnership is a gateway for JPMorgan to build broader, long-term relationships with Apple customers. For JPMorgan, it's about innovation, scale, and capturing the next generation of digital banking customers. If you have an Apple Card, you might be wondering what's next for your account and how this transition could affect you. Let's break down exactly what you can expect in the coming months, so you can feel confident about your card's future. The transition to JPMorgan Chase as the new issuer of the Apple Card is set to unfold over the next 24 months. This extended timeline is intentional, giving both Apple and JPMorgan Chase plenty of time to coordinate every detail and ensure that the process is as smooth and disruption-free as possible for cardholders like you. There's no need to worry about sudden changes or interruptions to your service. During this period, you can continue to use your Apple Card just as you always have. Whether you're making purchases in-store, shopping online, or managing your account through the Wallet app, all your current features, benefits, and rewards will remain fully available. Your account number, credit limit, and payment schedule won't change for now, so you can keep using your card with total confidence. The Apple Card will continue to operate on the MasterCard network, so you'll still enjoy the same worldwide acceptance and security you're used to. Your daily cash rewards will keep accumulating as usual, and you'll be able to redeem them without any changes or delays. All the perks you love about your Apple Card are staying put for the foreseeable future. As the transition date gets closer, you'll receive clear, step-by-step instructions from Apple and JPMorgan Chase about any actions you might need to take. This could include accepting updated terms and conditions, reviewing new privacy policies, or simply confirming your account details. All communications will be official and easy to follow, so you won't be left guessing. For now, there's nothing you need to do. Just keep an eye out for official updates in your email, through the Wallet app, or from your card issuer. Staying informed will help you be ready for any small steps you might need to take as the transition progresses. Behind the scenes, teams from both banks are working hard to make sure your personal data, account history, and transaction records are transferred securely and accurately. Data privacy and security are top priorities, and every measure is being taken to protect your information throughout the process. The ultimate goal is to deliver a seamless experience for you, the cardholder, with your interests and convenience at the center of every decision. Customer support will be available to answer any questions you have along the way. So, while change is on the horizon, you can rest easy knowing your Apple Card remains safe, secure, and fully functional. Stay tuned for updates, but for now, enjoy using your card just as you always have. Despite the new banking partner, the Apple Card's core experience will remain familiar. You'll still manage your card through the Apple Wallet app, with real-time transactions and intuitive spending summaries. Daily cash rewards, cash back every day, aren't going anywhere. The card's no-fee structure and strong privacy features will continue, with both Apple and JPMorgan committed to security. The physical card's minimalist design and Apple's privacy-first approach will be preserved. JPMorgan is expected to uphold Apple's standards, keeping the card's appeal intact. The features that made the Apple Card popular are here to stay. With JPMorgan Chase now joining forces with Apple, the Apple Card could be on the verge of a major transformation. This partnership opens the door to a whole new world of possibilities for cardholders, as both companies bring their unique strengths to the table. JPMorgan's deep experience in banking and rewards, combined with Apple's focus on user experience and innovation, could mean a wave of exciting new perks and features for Apple Card users. Imagine earning bonus rewards in categories that matter most to you, like extra cash back when you shop for groceries, dine out with friends, or book your next vacation. There's potential for rotating or seasonal reward categories, giving you more ways to maximize your spending throughout the year. These enhancements could make the Apple Card even more appealing for everyday purchases and special occasions alike. With JPMorgan's expertise, travel benefits could reach a whole new level. Think about perks like complimentary airport lounge access, trip cancellation insurance, or even exclusive travel offers. These additions would make the Apple Card a strong contender for frequent travelers, providing peace of mind and extra comfort on the go. The collaboration might also unlock bundled financial offers, such as special rates on mortgages, auto loans, or investment accounts, all tailored for Apple Card holders. This could make it easier to manage major life purchases and investments, all within the Apple ecosystem. On the digital side, expect advanced financial tools to be integrated into the Apple Card app. Features like real-time budgeting, spending insights, and credit score monitoring could help you stay on top of your finances and make smarter decisions. Personalized alerts and recommendations might also be on the horizon, making financial management more intuitive than ever. By combining Apple's signature design and seamless technology with JPMorgan's financial expertise, the Apple Card could evolve into a true personal finance hub, offering not just payments, but a comprehensive suite of tools to help you reach your financial goals. As the transition unfolds, keep an eye out for official announcements and updates. New features and perks could be revealed at any time, so staying informed will help you take full advantage of what's coming. The future of the Apple Card looks brighter than ever, with the promise of more value, flexibility, and innovation on the horizon for all cardholders. The leaders behind this transition have made their priorities clear. Apple's Jennifer Bailey emphasized shared values and a commitment to innovation and user experience. Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon called the move a strategic realignment, promising continued support for customers during the transition. JPMorgan's actions, acquiring the portfolio and planning new products, signal a long-term commitment to the Apple partnership. For Apple, it's about preserving the customer experience. For Goldman, it's a strategic exit. For JPMorgan, it's a major opportunity to lead in digital banking. All three are motivated to make this transition smooth and beneficial for cardholders. JPMorgan Chase's takeover of the Apple Card marks a promising new era for cardholders. With JPMorgan's scale and expertise, your card is backed by a leader in credit cards, bringing stability and potential for new features. Over the next 2 years, stay tuned for official updates and new benefits. No immediate action is needed. Your card and rewards remain unchanged. The real excitement lies ahead, with the potential for enhanced rewards, travel perks, and deeper financial integration. This partnership could set a new standard for co-branded credit cards. Change can be unsettling, but this shift is designed to bring more value and security to your Apple Card. The future looks bright for Apple Card users.